welcome to my channel. Well, this video is just to let you know I now have a Facebook page. Yes, a lot of you have asked me, Steve, do you have a Facebook page for Captain Drone? And I'd be like, no, I have no time to make a Facebook page, but now I have a Facebook page for Captain Drone and the links to it are below this video. Now, many of you know I am a super busy guy because honestly, if you have a YouTube channel, anybody out there who's got a YouTube channel and you put out 3 videos per week and you make those videos with tons of different camera angles, graphics, content, going to different locations, it doesn't leave a lot of time for much else in life. So some friends of the family reached out to me and said, hey Steve, we know you're really busy. How about we make your Facebook page? We'll put Captain Drone content on it in a format that's kind of entertaining and we'll keep it going and we'll see how it works. And I said, you know what? I love it. I'm hands off. I got nothing to do with it. You guys look after it. So for about a month, I have the friends of the family looking after my Facebook page. And then after a month, I'm going to jump in. And so if you post comments on it, I'll start answering the comments as I get more time. So if I simplify this down to the lowest common denominator, what I'm doing is a test. I'm going to see if a Facebook page would actually stick. Do you guys really want a Captain Drone Facebook page? Because it's a lot of work. So we're going to try it out. I'm going to let it run for about 3 or 4 months. You can go subscribe to it below. It's the only way it's going to keep it going. The more subscribers I get, the more likes I get on it, then the more popular it is, the more content I can put on it, and it will just keep on running and getting better and better and better. So go check it out. The links are below. Now, I know a lot of you are saying, Steve, but what about a Twitter page? What about an Instagram page? Are you going to do that as well? Well, I do have a Twitter page and an Instagram page, but I don't really post much on it because I just don't have the time. I'm too busy. However, my wife has volunteered to look after my Twitter account. So you might see that Twitter account coming back to life and all sorts of stuff being posted on a daily basis. Because my wife could just yell over to me and go, Steve, somebody wants to know about this. And I'll yell out the answer and she'll just put the answer in because I'm busy doing something else. You know, a lot of the stuff I review, I have to actually learn it before I go review it. So that takes time, and then film it and then edit everything. It's a lot of work having a YouTube channel. So with all that said, I say thank you guys because it's you, the viewers, who have made this YouTube channel popular, and you could make the Facebook channel popular too. You could be right in on the ground floor to see how it grows, and you can tell everybody, have the bragging rights to say, I was one of the first people who subscribed to his Facebook page when it was just a tiny little thing, and now look at it's big. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up because I say that in every video and I can't stop myself from saying it. But anyways, go check out my Facebook page. Links are below, and I'll catch you in another video, probably tomorrow, with something really cool. Bye.